guys, welcome back to What's in the Present. Today we will be doing lava lamps. So the ingredients that you will need is vegetable oil, salt, we're doing it without Alka Seltzer tablets, glitter that is optional, food coloring, funnel is optional, but it's so much easier to get the water and oil into the cup using a funnel. So let's get started. We have never made this before, so we have a recipe written down with what we think might work, so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that you're supposed to do is fill it up with water. So I'm gonna start about 2/3 or 3/4 about the way full. Did I just say about the way full? I'm sorry, I'm not making sense today. How much do you do? Okay. So I did it up to where the lines end about. So here's ginger. Move your hands a little bit, Jen. Okay, that's it. It actually might be a little much. It's coming out very slowly. Let's see what the recipe calls for next. So it says next step is to do food coloring, which I don't think that should be next, but I guess it is next. I don't know if gel food coloring will work. Do you think it will, Ginger?
No.
Well, I'm going to try. Oh, maybe I can I have no idea. I'm going to try. If it doesn't work, I'll dump it out and do another. Only about 2-3 drops. I did only 3. Now I'm going to take my cap. Here's yours, Ginger. Look at Ginger's. Wow, look at that. And then you take your cap and mix it all around. My food coloring is stuck at the bottom. You see that?
That's why you don't use gel.
Okay, so then it says, next fill the rest of the glass with oil. So, you can just, I'm gonna do this over the sink. Oil and water never do mix, so let's watch this. Ooh, that was just the right amount. So I forgot to tell you to leave a very good 1/2 inch left at the top so that we can pour the salt in. So let's go right ahead into pouring the salt. You can just pour it in or use a tablespoon. At first it should be crazy bubbly, but then it should slow down. So
wow, that's a lot.
Should I do this over a funnel? Can I have the funnel? I have the funnel up top here.
Can I have a spoon?
And I'm pouring it in. At first it said it will be crazy bubbly. I think it needs more. Look at that. It's really weird. It's bubbling.
Okay, can I have a spoon?
Yeah. Here you go. I'm gonna pour the tiniest bit more. Oil and water never ever mix. So I'm gonna see if I mix really, really hard. Watch, guys.
Whoa, it
Did they mix? No, it's separating. Look, you can see the lightest parts at the top. That's the oil.
Whoa.
That's kind of cool. Look at that. They did not mix.
Yeah, but then it becomes more your color.
Alright, now it's time for the glitter. This is optional, but I'm going to be adding a sprinkle of green glitter. So,
Not a lot?
no, I'm going to use our tiny thingy, whatever it's called, funnel. And I have a tiny container, and I'm not even going to use this whole thing.
So all you do is, it's good. I think mine needs more oil.
Whoa. Oh, did you see that?
Yeah.
It's sinking to the bottom. The glitter just sank to the bottom.
I think you're, oh, that's so cool. Oh, it's like,
Like
bubbles.
it's right there. I don't know if
Look,
you see
that's the
it.
bubbles.
You see the clump of glitter? You don't have to do blue. You can do like a different color.
Come on, blue.
Oh, guys.
That
The clump is still at the bottom. It's like a ball. It's so weird.
much. Wow, mine's not going.
And it's not even like
Mine's not going to the bottom.
mixing. Cello, are you gonna mix?
I don't have any more bubbles.
Whoa, look guys, it's on the side.
I don't have any more bubbles.
I hope you have enjoyed your lava lamps, and I hope they came out as good as mine did. I hope you have enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time on What's in the Present. Bye guys!
Bye!